Write a blog post,
Do
will
a
you?
blog, and specifically get your blog off of Medium. Sorry.
You gotta love Jeremy Keith. He's so consistent about stuff when he feels a certain way, and he's never called it Medium, as far as I know. He only calls it Ev Williams' blog.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You got somebody else's blog. It's not like you called out Medium for their like bad business practices or anything like that. It's that, even though maybe that's in there, I don't know.
Well, no,
But
it's fine. Like, I get it. What I don't get specifically is designers and developers and UX people just offloading that to them.
well, and the most damning thing was like, name a Medium blogger. Go ahead and name one. And you're like, got nothing. And that's damning, I think.
I had multiple people reply and say the same thing. It's just like, dude, I can't even. And I nope out the second I hit that paywall, the scroll wall, like you scroll.
Right.
And, yeah.
Also, if you've seen a lot of slop, which certainly we all have, and then you associate the slop with Medium, the next time you see one, whether it's slop or not, your slop alarm goes off.
I get it too. I mean, Substack is starting to give me the feels too, so I could maybe throw them under the bus too. But it's just that kind of like, oh man, is this a real person here? Or is this just kind of, phoned in?
Right.
It's this weird authenticity alarm starts going off, and that's not to say like if you're on there and you're blogging and it is authentic, like you did it wrong or anything. And I'd rather have more blogs than no blogs. So if that's your situation, you're just not blogging ever if you don't have the Medium, that's fine. Go for it. Dude, I love it. Please do it. But I just, for those who can and do have the, a little bit of extra energy to put a markdown folder in a Jekyll or an 11D, do that. It's good.
How many
right?
great blogs are by people with no blogging skill or no web design and development skill? Because you're right. There's a little extra irony to the idea of like, I'm going to show you how to do websites good on this website I didn't make.
Yeah.
A little weird.
Yeah.
Even weirder, I'd say, turn the dial up for the portfolio generators. I'm a web designer, and I didn't even make my own portfolio.
Yeah.
Weird.
Go to my Dribble. Yeah. Here's my link tree to my Behance and my Dribble.
Yeah. And at least those are like, well, there's a social network implied there. And I can see that there being a hive for that kind of thing. But if that's your only thing, or worse, there's all kinds of tools that are popular over time, ones that you'd even buy, hey, it's $100 for this portfolio template or this niche portfolio site that has no social features.